Learn long division with remainders in English. Hello everyone and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic in the world of mathematics. Long division with remainders. Don't worry if you're new to this concept. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand it, but also be able to use it confidently. Let's dive in. Long division is a standard method of dividing numbers, especially large numbers. It involves a systematic process of dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down the next digit. It's called long division because it can involve several steps, but don't worry, with practice, it becomes straightforward. When you divide one number by another, sometimes it doesn't divide evenly. This is where the remainder comes in. The remainder is what's left over after dividing as much as possible. For example, if you divide 10 by 3, you get 3 with a remainder of 1, because 3 times 3 is 9, and there's 1 left over to get to 10. So, how do we do long division with remainders? Let's illustrate with an example. Let's divide 123 by 4. 1. First, see how many times 4 goes into the first number or group of numbers of your dividend. In our case, how many times does 4 go into 12? That would be 3 times. 2. Write that number, 3, above the line in your answer area. 3. Multiply 3 by 4 and write the result, 12, under your dividend. 4. Subtract 12 from 12, which equals 0. 5. Bring down the next digit of your dividend, which is 3. 6. Now, how many times does 4 go into 3? It doesn't. It's less than 4, so we put a 0 in our answer area and keep 3 as our remainder. So, 123 divided by 4 is 30, with a remainder of 3. That's how you do long division with remainders. The best way to get comfortable with long division and remainders is to practice. Try a few exercises on your own. Start with small numbers and gradually work your way up to bigger ones. You'll be a pro in no time. That's it for today's lesson on long division with remainders. Remember, practice is key, and don't worry if you don't get it right away. Keep at it and soon enough, you'll master this concept. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one.